Hello, sir. Today we'll talk about the program code. So, what is the program code here? So, what is a program code is nothing but whatever you added the programmatically the code, right? So, like this, if you add in the DOM, so it should reflect in the same in the output. So let's see the example how it is be. So let's create a one text area field input field. So here we can give that program code. So in this text area, the display the output we can give on ID attribute like code that program pro code. Okay. So in that there is an HTML element, there is a code element is there. So you can add that code element. So whatever input you are enter the like this one, so it should reflect here itself. So it's the same format, whatever the curly brace, space, and whatever you were given the like code format, prettier code. So it should reflect in the same format in the code element. So we will do it in the JavaScript. So create one JavaScript tag. So inside that you can take the reference of this input value. So const of code value. Okay. So yeah, then document dot query selector of ID attribute. So this code value add event listener of the key on key up. Each time key up, it should reflect into the this code element. So for that, add the function callback function. So here, right? So pass the param event. So if this event dot target of this value, take that value and const of data value of this and pass into here this one in this HTML. So for that document dot query selector of this attribute of code. Okay, so dot inner HTML of this value data dot value. Okay, so let's see in the example. So let's for the differentiate we can give one CSS uh, for the code, or I can give like background color of this one, the padding of 10 pixel. Okay, let's see what is printing. So let's give the different one. It's the same thing. This one we can give. Yeah, here it is there, right? So and if you add whatever the code like it will print in the inline only. It's not print the whatever the code format, like see the example where uh, declare the variable like data is equal to demo. Okay, so the next line, if you add something, if condition is something, data is equal to demo. See, it is printing in the each in inline, right? So it should not be. So we have to whatever we are added in the next line should come to the next line. The code, the program code format prettier should display here. So for that, there are one more pre-element. So pre-element should be add inside the code should be add inside the pre-element. Okay. So for that, so we added inside the pre-element of the code element. Let's see now. Let's copy and paste it better. So script tag, right? So here we can copy and paste. See here. So whatever here it is printed, right? So here it is added like that same thing. See. Now const variable you declared, right? So space and this one. Okay. So then next this, then next this. Sorry. See, like this, it is printing, right? So for copy pasting, it is declared. So like this, the code is printing, right? So and next one, if you declare the where data is equal to some of the text. So then next, if data, whatever you are added the code, it is making the format of the prettier code format to with a readable format. The program code it will display in this block. Right, test. So console dot log demo else. So if you see Stack Overflow, this concept is added, right? So whatever the user is added in the field input field. So when we are searching in the developers, so the code format should be displayed for the readable formats, right? So for that they are using in this HTML element of pre element and the code element. So that's it in this program code in this video. So if you have any query, please write comment in this video. Thank you.